Do you want to know how you can log into your Gnat Mutual Fund account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Gnat Mutual Fund account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC, go to the Google search bar and then search for Gnat Mutual Fund login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to this page. You can see login or register on the top right hand side. Go ahead and click on it and you can see this option. Now you can log in with your staff ID and your password. So go ahead and write down your staff ID, your password and then click login. This way you can log into your Gnat Mutual Fund account. If you have forgotten your staff ID or password, this is the link for you to recover your account. Go ahead and click on that link, write down your email address, write down your staff ID, and you can see that you can click here and then you can reset your password quite easily. I hope this video about how you can log into your Gnat Mutual Fund account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.